A lot of us have this self-beating tendency. See, I did this. I am wrong. Or I didn't do this. I should have done this. In both, I am assuming doership, no? Start seeing this truth. This week, just work on these personal dualities that you notice and break them down. Break them down. I have the courage to see that I am not the doer. Even if this person called Ekta had done that action, then also what must be would have been. If this person called Ekta had not done this or done this, it would not change anything. Because I am not this person called Ekta only. It's like jumping into the role of the hero or heroine on the screen and saying that if I was this hero, then I would have done it. Or I would have not done this. Yeah, and you're creating your own story. First, only there is one story going on there, and now you're attaching another cloud of stories. You're attaching another cloud of stories. This is the personal world projection that Atmananda is talking about. Very, very clear? Yeah. It's all stemming from a false sense of doership. What is. This is the story. Simply being with this truth. I am the source of all this, but I am not the cause. This needs to be seen. You need to get to the other side of this understanding. I am the source of all this, yet I am not the cause. How am I the source? We did it in today's self-inquiry meditation. I am prior to the waking. I am prior to the dream. I am prior to the deep sleep. I am prior to all these manifestations which I consider as my personal world. I am the source from which these emerge. They are made of me and they dissolve back into me. I am the totality. So I am the source, yet I am not the cause. Because cause implies doership. In the source, there is no doership. Does the sun in the sky say, I am going to shine brightly today? I am the shiner. I am the doer. No, it is simply the source of light. There is no doing in it. Yeah. It is its nature. So I have to start recognizing this truth that projection of the waking, dreaming, and deep sleep is my nature. I am the source of it all. I am not the cause. I am not doing it. It is happening. Yeah. You cannot go to a flower and tell the flower, stop blooming. The flower will say, I am not blooming. I am not doing anything. I simply am. No, you stop spreading your petals. It's not in my hands. I am not the doer. Do you get it? You are not the doer. You cannot stop spreading those beautiful petals of waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. It is not in your control. You are the source, not the cause. You are the sun that cannot help but shine. You are the flower that cannot help but blossom. because that is your nature. It is not your doing. Is this very clear? Yeah. Now, I gave you very simple examples, but you apply this to small events that happen throughout the week. Wherever the idea comes up that this is the cause of that, or this is the effect of that. Yeah? Every time the ego comes up with something like this, yeah, that is the time for application of this knowledge. Can I see that I am not the cause? I am simply the source. Yeah? This is step number 1. Step number 2, you say he or she is the cause. Oh, there is no he or she. I am the source from which he or she also has been projected. Or it could be a situation, it. He, she, it has been projected out of me. It is like my ray of light, or it is my petal. I am the source of this person. Whether the person is an angel in your life or a demon in your life. Yeah? I am the source. I am not the cause. So when you see that you are not the cause, you will also drop a hidden idea that emerged in you in Drishti Srishtivada. That hidden idea was, I need to stop this bad projection, this demon. No, when I'm not the cause, I cannot even switch off this particular projection. Yeah. I can only correct at the source. What is correcting at the source? Oh, recognizing it as my own ray of light, my own petal, as me only. Very, very clear. Cause effect is clear. Difference between cause and source is clear. Is it clear that cause has doership hidden behind it? Source is not the doer. And did you recognize the cunningness of the ego when it tries to say that, I'm the doer in this situation, and in this situation, I'm not the doer? Yeah. This party changing tendency of the ego. Yes. So, if all these points are very clear, this is our homework for this week. Atmananda was not talking about the world that you see on the National Geographic channel. He's talking about your own personal world. So, apply this chapter 2 to your own personal world projection. Very clear?